We have an unboxing that we need to do for our reel on Instagram.
Yeah, for sponsor.
We have
a
sponsor.
Our first sponsor.
10K first sponsor.
Besavashile.
Okay, kuzoba 60 rand umdebe.
60 rand. Bona.
Buhambe na.
If you are interested in coming here, guys, this is the price.
60 rand per person. Yeah.
We are here at
Meetma. Yes.
There is a fire.
For braai.
Yeah, we're just here to make a braai, guys.
Yeah.
And we have an unboxing that we need to do for our reel on Instagram.
Yeah, for sponsor.
We have a sponsor.
Our first sponsor.
10K first sponsor.
Yeah, guys, we like to say thank you
so much, guys.
Thank you.
Truly, thank you, guys.
Yeah.
This is the sponsor, guys. This is the sponsor, and it comes with a solar panel.
Yes.
Yeah. So we just want to quickly do a reel for Instagram.
Yeah, but if you want to see the unboxing, you must go to Instagram. I think we're also going to put the shots on YouTube.
Yeah, on this video as well. We'll have a shot of what it really is. Yeah, it's something we needed for a very long time, especially for camping.
Yes,
it's really going to help us for camping and for load shedding. As you know, we experience a lot of load shedding, so
guys.
It will really help us a lot. Yeah, so thanks to our sponsor.
Thank you so much for reaching out to us.
All power.
Yes, all power.
All power, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're just going to do our reel quickly and then we'll continue with the video.
Yes. All right. See?
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
sold out. Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out. What got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. True, you don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down in hell? You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me know, no, no. Someday I will make you answer for all of your mistakes, but I'm way too weak now, crawling on all fours, searching for something to keep me from going crazy, but I'm way too deep now, I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known.
Afternoon, guys.
Yes, we're back, guys.
It's time for brunch.
Of course.
1,000 years later.
1,000 years later, guys.
Yeah, so guys, we're just going for brunch.
Yeah.
We're taking short left.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going for brunch, guys. But before we go for brunch, let's review our sponsor.
All Power
Portable Power Station.
Portable Power Station, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just give a quick review of what we think about it since we used it on Admin Madam.
Yes.
What we think about it. Firstly, just to give a pictures of it.
Pictures, yes. It's have a lithium ion battery.
Yeah. And it's a pure sun wave, guys. Pure sun wave, it's when the power is constant.
Constant.
Yeah, it's constant power, guys. It's not that power that keeps breaking. That's gonna damage your appliances, your gadgets, and so on.
Yeah.
It has a power sine wave.
Yeah.
So whenever you're looking for a portable power station, you must look out for that, because your gadgets are very expensive.
Yeah.
They need constant power to charge on.
Yeah.
So yeah, all power power station that we have, that they sent us, it's a pure sun wave. So we were very impressed about that.
So we're happy.
As you've seen on our video as well.
Plugging, that's I wanted to say that we plug most of our expensive gadgets on it.
Our expensive gadgets on it. So yeah, so it shows that we really trusted it because of its power, pure sine wave. Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, overall the power station performed like a champ.
Amazing.
It performed like a champ. We were really impressed with it, guys. So yeah, so if you maybe in the market looking for it, there is a description somewhere, a discount code, guys, and the link on the description.
Link, everything.
Yeah, we made it easy for you. Just click a link to take you straight to the website, where you'll find other things as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, where you'll find the one that we have right
even
now.
More powerful ones, they will be there.
Yeah, they're very in power. So the one that we have, we're just saying goodbye, load shedding.
We are so happy. We are so happy, and we're gonna go camping.
Yeah.
We never try off-grid camping. It's in our mind now.
Yeah, it's in our mind since we have the power station now, the portable power station. Because off-grid, you need something like that where you can charge your appliances, your gadgets, your laptops, as you saw, we put our drone, everything on it. So we needed something like that.
Even the fridge.
Even the fridge.
The car freezer.
Yes.
For our drinks. We didn't carry cooler box this time around. We said let's go test it out.
Because the place that we were at Madam, it was more or less like an off-grid sort of.
Yes.
So because there is no power there, so you need something like that to power your things like the fridge, charge your laptop. So we needed it.
Yeah, so that's why we were plugging it on the solar.
Yeah, so that's why we use the solar as well. I almost forgot the solar.
Yeah.
The solar panel that came with it, that they sent it with, it's a 100 watt solar panel.
Yes, 100 watts.
Yes, so it charged like a champ as well.
Yeah.
Everything worked smoothly, guys. We were really
Not disappointed.
Not at all
We're
disappointed
happy.
with this. We are
Yeah.
really happy with it. So if you win a market, discount code somewhere, there. But it will be on the screen, guys.
Yeah.
Discount code. So if you're on the market, and the link to the website where you can buy the all power station.
Yes, and
It will be in the description.
Yeah, and
We'll
also
put a link there.
And also if you have questions or like what you want us to discuss more about the old power, you can drop the comment below.
Yeah, you can drop your question on the comment
below.
Yeah.
And then on the next video maybe we'll explain it more thorough, because we're gonna use it, guys. We're gonna use it.
Yes, are we gonna use it on our upcoming videos? Because we're going for a camping. Our upcoming video will be a camp.
Yeah.
Are we gonna be using it?
Of course.
No doubt.
Why not?
No doubt. As I've just said, it performed like a champ. So yeah, we will be using it on most of our videos, and when there is load shedding as well, we will use it as well. So now we are not afraid of load shedding. That's why we're saying goodbye, load shedding.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, guys.
Let's go for the brunch.
Brunches. I'm hungry. Bye.
Bye.
I wish I had the same delusion that I did when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know.
Usiphe i-Long Island ne-beach iced tea. Sasesifaka ne-oat. Hayi, benizimangazona lezi zephepha. Okay, cela usiphe i-beef burger, awu-2. Mase enye u-add ama-wings, enye u-add ama-southern stout.
It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. When the baggage is heavy, baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej, nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I
What's your problem?
My problem is that this is not your channel.
So